Are you happy? Yeah. Do you have fun now? Yeah. Sus. Umiiyak siya guys kasi hindi agad nakapunta dyan. Pagdating niya, gusto niyang lumubog kaagad. Babe, bring it here. I'll take a picture. Put up here.
Kick.
My cousin Jamie over here.